Yes, CAVIN Johnson is the interim coach of KAIZER Chiefs Football Club, but only for now, because guess what? KAIZER Chiefs Football Club are back in negotiations with who? NASREDDINE NABI. Welcome to KAIZER Chiefs Corner, where you hear all the latest news related to KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. Amakusi Amasha, guys. KAIZER Chiefs Football Club wanted NASREDDINE NABI to come and replace 10-1 Arthur Zwane before the start of the season. However, negotiations broke down because Nabi wanted to bring his own technical staff, but KAIZER Chiefs management wanted Nabi to work with 10-1 Arthur Zwane, and Nabi refused to come to join KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. But however, according to current reports, KAIZER Chiefs have reignited their interest in NASREDDINE NABI, who is currently the head coach of ASFA. So the contract of NASREDDINE NABI with that club is going to end in 2025. So KAIZER Chiefs Club are trying to negotiate for a transfer fee for NASREDDINE NABI to come and join KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. Guys, KAIZER Chiefs this time around are willing to allow NASREDDINE NABI to bring his own technical staff. Finally, guys, the big question is, will NASREDDINE NABI agree to come to Nachorena village? Let's wait and see, guys. NASREDDINE NABI is a winner. We need someone like him to come to join KAIZER Chiefs Club so that he can bring back the glory days at Nachorena village. What do you think? Please comment below your thoughts on this news, and please make sure that if you are new to this channel and if you don't want to miss out on any video that is related to KAIZER Chiefs Club, make sure that you subscribe, put on this notification bell so that you don't miss out on any video related to KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. Amakhose amahle, hle.